The mission behind our new chassis was simple: to create the kind of sled that we've all spent years dreaming about. Sleek styling that screams, "Get out of my way," and one that rides as fast as it looks. Thousands of sketches later, our engineers drew up something groundbreaking, the kind of thing that'll make your jaw hit the snow. The all-new ProCross chassis. It's breakthrough performance that comes from unparalleled handling and an overall smoother ride. The chassis is where the ProCross story begins. The design is stronger, yet lighter, which makes the sled faster, more durable, and easier to maneuver. Fewer components provide a tighter, more precise feel that leads to more predictability and easier handling. Perfect for ditch banging with the F model, or for doing a bit of everything with the longer track XF. The triangulated upper spar assembly of the ProCross chassis is the best of both the proven twin spar chassis and our dominating race-proven chassis. The same one that's been to more podiums than any other manufacturer. The result is that the ProCross is stronger and lighter. 30-degree suspension attachment points are geometrically triangulated to provide increased strength and create a swept-back attachment point that gives you a better nose angle, which prevents your sled from diving too much into any ruts or holes you may find. Introducing the Arctic Race Suspension. Let's start with the all-new tall spindles. These tough guys are made from one piece of forged aluminum, which makes them lighter than previous multi-part steel designs. And the Arctic Race Suspension's wider A-arm spacing reduces leverage on upper A-arm components, allowing them to be, you guessed it, lighter. Also, that extra distance in the spindle allows the lower A-arm to absorb more force and lower the center of gravity. What's more, the unique ball joint design provides fewer friction points, which gives you tighter, more precise steering. The all-new Arctic Race Suspension delivers the most predictable precision ride, handling, and cornering in the industry. The ski's angles or camber adjust when turning, allowing the ski keels to remain in contact with the trail, which means you'll be able to turn naturally and confidently through the corner. On the ProCross, the shocks are aligned with the front spars to transfer the impact force to the upper spar assembly for a rigid connection without unwanted bounce back. So in other words, you'll just leave them in your dust. Since we're upping the ante on the rest of the sled, the tunnel is no different. The all-new tunnel has a tapered design that conforms to your leg's natural position. This allows for better body control and an overall more comfortable ride for both stand-up and sit-down riding. And thanks to a new stamped two-piece design, the tunnel is not only lighter but also stronger. Also, the new wider running boards provide better foot traction. The skid frame's lighter weight makes the sled faster and more nimble. At the same time, it's stronger. Lightweight and durable, the best of both worlds. Yeah, good luck with that one, trails. And depending on which model you ride, the track plays a bigger role. The F models come with the 128-inch track for ditch banging and trail dominating. The XF models sport the longer 141-inch Cobra track with deeper lugs that make it easier to carve your name in the powder, trail, or wherever you ride. The ProCross comes with proven Arctic Cat power in either a 4-stroke or 2-stroke engine. For 4-stroke, check out the 1100 EFI with 123 horsepower. This engineering marvel features 600 class horsepower with the low maintenance and clean burning benefits of a 4-stroke engine. And for those seeking maximum horsepower and speed, check out the industry-leading 177 horsepower of the 1100 turbo 4-stroke engine. It's what powers the world's fastest snowmobile. For 2 strokes, the awesome 800 HO EFI engine is top-of-the-line performance, sporting horsepower that once again tops 160, the most in the industry. And that's not just us bragging. It's what the independent research firm Dynotech tells us. Last, but certainly not least, the engine is fed by cold air that enters through the intakes by the handlebars, which keeps the air clean and makes sure you don't suck in any powder. Then it travels towards the front of the sled before entering the engine. The design of the ProCross drivetrain makes it lighter and faster than ever. New and improved chain case technology, aka the all-new Arctic drive system, featuring the torque control link, offers push-button reverse, even in 4-strokes that don't have engine reverse. This new system provides a wider distance between clutches, allowing the belt to cool properly. It's new and improved. So let's talk a little more about the new torque control link. This new innovation provides a rigid connection of the engine and drive and driven clutches. It maintains perfect belt tension and alignment, resulting in longer belt life and savings. And the left side of the jack shaft is rubber mounted along with the engine to allow for adequate vibration dissipation while keeping the system in alignment. The Arctic drive system shell is made of weight-saving magnesium that features an oil reservoir built into the exterior of the case, with a window to conveniently check the oil level. The automatic chain tensioner features a spring-loaded ratchet to advance the tensioner only when the chain is too loose to accommodate slight jack shaft movement. And in an efficient use of space and parts, the engine's oil reservoir is also connected. Developed on superbikes, the all-new industry-exclusive RMC brake system features a radial master cylinder. This system has a smaller piston that's perpendicular to the handlebars, with a longer brake handle. The rotor is 12% larger in diameter and 60% lighter. It's also designed to have less play and a more positive feedback feeling, all while providing very responsive braking in all conditions. ProCross F, the next species of cat, hits the trail. ProCross XF, ultimate performance for both trail and powder. Snow Pro 500. Turn it on and turn some heads.